This is the box of the Transcend Micro, the smallest and lightest travel CPAP on the market. Let's see what's inside. When you first open it, you'll get a quick thank you note for purchasing this CPAP. Beneath that, you will see the machine. You will first pull out the quick start guide, which explains how to get started and how to connect to its companion app. Then the CPAP. Weighing in at under half a pound and just 3.6 inches wide, this is the whole machine, no bigger than your palm. Next up, the 6-foot AirFlex hose, included right in the box. It uses a standard 22mm connection, allowing you to use almost any mask of your choosing. You also get the power adapter and cords for everyday use at home. And if you want to go fully off-grid like camping, long flights, or even during power outages, the Transcend PowerAway battery pack is available separately, linked in the top right corner. This piece is the WhisperSoft muffler. It slots in between the hose and the machine to reduce vibration and noise. Lastly is the quick user guide, and it covers all the essentials for setup, maintenance, and smooth operation. Here is everything all laid out together. A full CPAP setup that weighs next to nothing and fits in one hand. You can shop the Micro Travel CPAP at the CPAP shop today.